Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a conversation on Discord. Now we're in the mobile app and I'm using an Android device, and you can see over here on the left hand side I've got all the options to open different servers, and I'm opening my main server. So right here you can see I have different channels. I have a text channel, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this, and this is the channel, right? So what I'd like to do is actually delete this conversation. So what we're going to do is go to the top where it says general. We're going to tap on this, and this is the server name. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to go ahead to the top right hand side. You will now see settings, and you're going to tap on settings. Now you'll carry on scrolling all the way to the bottom of this option menu, and you'll see a delete channel, and you're going to go ahead and tap on that and say yes. And once you've done this, the conversation will have been deleted. Now if you'd like to know more about Discord, you can go ahead and follow our channel. We'll see you in another awesome video. Peace.